So I'm so excited. I got this really fun YouTube clapper for being a partner. So much fun. So today we're going to do these knotted birds. So you can make them out of magazines if you want them to be two-toned. Or these I did out of book pages, which I personally prefer just because I feel like sometimes this kind of looks like a bandage, but either way, depending on what you want to do with the birds, really fun. And stay tuned till the end, and I'm going to show you what I did with my birds. So to show you, I'm going to use the magazine just so you can see that it's easier to see with the two sides. When you do it with a magazine or cardstock, you might want to get the two sides to look a little bit more similar, but totally up to you. So this is 3/4 of an inch and just the length of the magazine. It really, just depending, you can make it as fat as you want, really, just depending on the look of the bird. So all you do is you tie a knot. So cross over and then pull through. And then flatten. That's really the hardest part. And then we're going to do just a little bit of trimming, as you can see here. So the first thing I'm going to do is make the tail. So you can, obviously you can have your bird face this way or that way, totally up to you. So the first thing we're going to do is do the tail. So you're just going to cut a curve here and a curve there. So curve there. And a curve here. And then you're just going to form a tail, right, just by cutting out a dart, like so. And you can adjust that on the type of bird you want or the style you want. And then for the head, you're going to start by making a curve right there. So that'll be like for the neck. And then here's your beak, and then curve it. So here's your curve. Not sure what's on my scissors exactly. Your curve. And then out for the beak. Kind of feel like that head might be a little bit too high, so you can just kind of adjust it as you like. And then for the eye, what I like to do is I like to make a circle and then a curve like that, so it's a little bit like cartoony. And then for the beak, I'm just going to color that in black. You could color it in orange, you could leave it alone, whatever you like. And then the last step, as you can see right here, is we're going to round the stomach a little bit. And then there you have the cutest little bird. Let me show you one more time. This time I'm going to show you with this is a dictionary page. So this one's going to be a little bit thinner. This is about 1/2 inch, and then just the length of the paper. So again, you're going to go ahead, cross it, and bring it through to make your knot. Adjust it, and then flatten. And there you have it. Then we'll go ahead and make the curve for the tail. And then come out with the dart. This time I made the tail a little bit shorter. And then we're going to curve up for the head, out for the beak, and then the curve of the neck, and then just curve that stomach. So here it is with the magazine, and here it is with the dictionary page. But you could also just do like a favorite book if you happen to have a scrapbook around. You could do like Harry Potter for a Harry Potter fan. Not sure what happened to my eye just now. And here's my beak. And now let me show you some ideas. So here I have this kind of boring thank you card. So I'm thinking this size will be a bit better. And then I was thinking we could make a nest. So I have some twine. And then to make a nest, all you're going to do is, depending on the size of your nest, you could use all 4 fingers, you could use 3 fingers, just depending on the size you want. And all you're going to do is twist this around. And then take it off your fingers. And here's your nest. Now to hold this in place, I'm going to take a smaller piece, tie it in the middle. I'm going to tie it as loosely as I possibly can so that we don't lose that shape of the nest. So just like so. And then you're just going to either use hot glue, whatever you have. You could also use the E6000 glue, but I think just simple white glue for this will hold it in place just fine. So that'll have to dry. Cut off all of my extra little pieces. And then glue your bird into the nest. Make sure the nest is inside the nest, like so. And there you have it. You could draw on a little worm right here. You could put a little twig in his mouth, or you can just leave it like so. I think that's really cute as a thank you card. And then if you wanted, on the outside, we could use our other bird that we made. Glue that there, write their name. Really sweet. So enjoy these birds.